Hello everyone, I'm Peter Ratana Norase. My student ID is 6321 605808. My number on the list is 27. Now, I would like to pronounce the long vowel sounds. Let's get started. The long vowel sound E, peel, peas, B, T, teen, dean, deep, keen, key, geese, give, fee, feed, weep, wheel, theme, 3, D, D's, C, Zeal, chic, sheet, heat, heap, heel, chic, sheets, drip, G's, meat, mean, need, needs, read, lead, reap, yield, yeast, week, see, cheese, tea, eat, be, me, ski, chic, peas, yield, receive, either, key. I'm a student. You're right. The weather's nice. She went home. I don't think so. Who's he? What's it? Where did you go? When we they alive? Why do you wanna Lily? Coffee or tea? Shall we? Let it be. Let me see cheese. She sells seashell by the seashore. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I slit. A sailor went to see what he could see, and all he could see was C. The long vowel sound paw, park, park, bomb, bar, tart, tardy, dark, dot, calm, calf, guard, garden, far, farm, shark, sharp, harm, heart, charm, short, jaw, jazz, march, mark, knock, rod, large, yacht, yarn, pa, ma, part, march, heart, hearth, clerk, clock, Sergeant, are you alright? Is he your brother? Do you like ice cream? Don't you wanna go? Will you be at the party? Calm down. This garden is large. Sharks have sharp teeth. Park your car near the barn. The bar is far from my father's farm. Watches are sweet wrist watches. Many mumbling mice are making merry music in the moonlight. Chicken in the car and the car can go. That is the way you spell Chicago. The long vowel sound O. Pose, poke, pork, boat, board, board. Tall, tone, tone, dawn, door, door. Coat, court, court. Goes, George, George. Fort, from, Zort, Zort, Zort. Shawl, shot, shot. Hunt, haunt, haunt. Jaw, jaunt. Shaw, shock. Mall, more, more. North, north, north. Raw, raw, raw. Law, rod, lord. Vol, vom, vol. Yawn, yaw. Bore, bore. Core, core. Caught, cause. Saw, draw. Ball, hall. Bore, thought, thought. For. Saw. That's a good idea. She can play the piano. I like watching movies. Let's swim in the ocean. I visited my sister on Sunday. Of course, more or less. Coffee or tea? What's wrong? I call you tomorrow. Friends for the phone. I saw a saw that could outsaw any saw I ever saw. Knife and a fork, bowl, and a clock. That is the way you spell New York. I thought, but the thought I thought wasn't the thought I thought. If you must cross a crowded cow crossing, cross the crowded cow crossing carefully. The long vowel sound pearl, pearl, purse, purse. Bird, bird. Burn, burn. Term, term. Turn, turn. Dirt, dirt. Dirk, dirk. Curve, curve. Curse, curse. Girt, girt. Girl, girl. Firm, firm. First, first. Verb, verb. Verse, verse. Search, search. Serve, serve. Shirk, shirk. shirt shirt herb herb hurt hurt shirt shirt jerk jerk much much mug mug nuts nuts nerve nerve learn learn launch launch verse verse worth worth yearn yearn yurt yurt her her turn turn purr purr bird bird mur mur word word work work earth earth hurt hurt journey journey courtesy courtesy I wanna buy a new hat. What kind of hat? A straw hat. John just bought a backpack. A black backpack? No, a red backpack. His shirt is dirty. A bird is chirping. Turn the bowl around. Her first word was purr. Kurt never leave work early. Packet poor Kurt pull cord. Night nurses nursing nicely. Birdie birdie in the sky laid a 30 in my eye. A cloud could fly. I have a cloud in my eye. The long vowels out. Ooh, poo, pool, boo, boom, tool, tool, doom, dude, cool, cool, goon, goose, soon, zoop, zoo, zoom, chew, shoot, through, through, who, hoot, shoe, choose, juice, June, mood, move, moon, noon, nude, loove, lewd, loop, loose, voo, wound, Jew, youth, lewd, June, food, moon, do, move, soup, through, shoe, flew, blue, clue, juice, blues, shoe. I went shopping and spent a lot of money. I bought a smartphone for my father, a scarf for my mother, and a watch for my sister. I went shopping and spent a lot of money. I bought a smartphone for my father, a scarf for my mother, and a watch for my sister. What's new? See you soon. What do you do? I'm a university student. Let me introduce you to my roommate, Tulilulo. The boot blackboard, the black boot black. If a dog chews, whose shoes does he choose? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?